If you are looking for a historic home in Maytown, this charming brick home can be yours. I'm Marion with the Marion Rutt team. Welcome home to 9 South River Street in East Donegal Township. The foyer opens to the inviting living and dining room combo, all with wood flooring, a gas stove, crown molding, and 10-foot ceilings. The country kitchen with large island and bar stools, first floor laundry, and door to deck will be sure to please. Back the hallway to the foyer, we enter the second floor to a landing with stained glass oval window and a hallway closet. The second floor includes 4 bedrooms, all with wood floors, plus a cedar closet. A remodeled, updated bath with tub shower is centrally located. You will love the 23 by 31 deck with privacy fence and fireplace for outdoor entertaining. The double lot includes a studio for relaxing with a good book, beautiful country gardens, and 2 additional sheds. In addition, you will enjoy the 24 by 32 foot, 2.5 car garage, having a fully insulated office with electric, and it is off the alleyway. Thank you for viewing 9 South River Street, and call the Marion Rutt team for your private showing at 717-629-3877.